Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to remove the waiting room from your meetings. So first open your Zoom client or desktop client or Zoom application and follow these steps. So now you will find uh, after you sign in to your Zoom desktop client, you will find yourself in the home page here. So start a new meeting so you can add or modify the option or the permissions of like the meetings and just click on new meeting and we will wait for Zoom to start the meeting. Now you are the host of the meeting and now you can just edit all the controls or all the options or settings of the meetings. So here I have all my actions that I can do with my meetings, like the whiteboards or apps, or either you can add some reactions or record and share screen, etc., etc. Now you can just click on participants. In here you will pop up like the participants tab or menu. So here it will show up all the participant list and you can like have some action on the participants like giving them like the host or control, or you can mute them and remove them, etc., etc. Here there are these three buttons. There is the invite button where you can add other people to join the meeting by copying the link, or just you can invite by email, etc., etc. Now we will head to these three points option that will pop up this little menu. Here there are like the permissions of our meetings. Now we need to disable like the waiting room, and if you can read here, we will find something concerning the waiting room. So now the enable my waiting room is enabled. So whenever someone's joined the meeting, I will have to prove the permission or to admit it so he can join. Otherwise, if I disable like the waiting room, they can just join directly the room. So I'm just going to disable the enable waiting room, and this way other people can join directly without needing like a permission from the host to join the room, and they can join in the meetings. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.